Hi guys! We are at Jeddah Airport and we're going to Al Ula. So nagstay muna kami dito sa Jeddah for 4 days kasi dito yung hometown ni Miguel. Meron akong separate vlog about that. And I also posted a TikTok about the requirements sa visa as a tourist papunta sa Saudi Arabia. So ilalagay ko na lang lahat ng links sa description box. We're very excited. Let's go! We're finally in Al Ula. Ay, OA. From Jeddah to Al Ula, it's just an hour, 45 minutes to an hour. Mabilis lang yung flight. Actually, pwede nyo siyang i-bus or i-road trip. Pero ayaw namin mag-drive and ayaw rin namin mag-bus. So, nag-flight na lang kami. It's a bit expensive, but if you really want convenience and yun nga, yung mabilis lang, I really suggest mag-plane na lang kayo. For my internet, I just bought an eSIM. Ilalagay ko na lang din dito kung ano yung binili ko. And then, yung link kung saan ko siya binili. We are on our way sa hotel. Medyo nagka-problema lang kami because yung car rental is down yung system. So, nag-Uber na lang kami papunta sa hotel muna and then maghahanap na lang ng car rental doon para makapagpahingain, makakain kasi hindi pa kami nagla-lunch. So, we're finally here. Super kilig. Nandito na tayo sa ating hotel. This is Rosabel Hotel. Binook ko siya sa booking.com. Wala siyang sign pero meron naman siya sa Uber. So, andito na tayo. Let's go inside so we can check in. Guys, super sulit tong wait lang. Super sulit itong hotel na nabook namin. We have 3 rooms.
Welcome to my room and Isa's.
Tingnan mo naman yung TV and wow.
Pakireklamo nga, ang late ng TV.
And then, meron din room ni...
Mine and Aye.
Yes. And then we have a toilet right here. Meron pa tayong isang pintuan dito. Grabe guys, ang daming pintuan. So, merong kitchen dito with another restroom and shower. Ito yung sala natin. Wow, ang daming kwarto. And then, this is Miguel and I's room.
Sama lang sama.
Wow! Super happy ako with this hotel. This is only 17,000 a night. Good for 6 people na to. Super spacious, hindi tinipid.
Super.
Parang pwede tayong tumambling dito.
True.
Grabe. I will also put the link of this hotel, of course, on the description box. Look at our view. Ito yung hotel natin. Sa tapat lang. Look at this view! Oh my God! Okay, lakad na kami papunta sa kakainan namin dahil di pa kami nagla-lunch. Maraming restaurants naman around. For dinner, dito tayo sa Al Ula Palace.
Oh, nabasa mo yun? Charot.
Yes! Marunong na ako mag-Arabic. Charis. Guys, tignan nyo naman tong view. Wow. I don't know what to say. Sobrang ganda. Ito yung Bukhari. And then we have kabsa meat. So this is beef. Yum! Let's eat! So guys, usually ganito sila kumain. May plastic sa table. And then dito lang yung pinggan ninyo. And then you get from here. Ganyan. O talagang na ako, lokal.
Yes.
Get your chicken.
Wala silang yogurt.
Itong tomato nilalagay sa rice. Uy, ang lambot ng karne.
Sobrang lambot. I think lamb siya.
Beef. Tapos na kami kumain. So, sinara nila yung restaurant kasi sala, yung prayer nila. They do it 5 times a day. Doon kasi sa Jeddah, hindi na sila nagsasara pag sala. Pero dito sa Al Ula, ayan, sinasara nila yung mga restaurant, kainan, stores, pag time na for prayer. Super dilim, pero andito kami sa Al Ula Old Town. How I wish nakikita ng camera yung ganda ng view, as in like, it's wild, but ang ganda. Medyo malamig guys ha, kasi winter, February, ngayon na andito kami. Al Ula Old Town. This is what it looks like at night. Maraming restaurants, cafes. Guys, ang ganda. As in, tambayan to, free for all. Meron din silang mga saksakan. Pwede tayong umakyat dito sa taas. Grabe naman po. Wow. Super nice. Ganda. Marami ring mga food trucks and mga coffee shops dito. So you can just chill here, eat, drink coffee or tea, and then spend the rest of the night here just chilling. This is a coffee shop, I think. Yes. And usual talaga sa kanila yung super late na pero nagkakape pa din sila. Good morning! We're just waiting for our Uber going to Winter Park. We're going to do the Hegra tour this morning. Mars is here.
He's here.
So, nasa bus na tayo, guys. Saktong-sakto lang kami. So, make sure na agahan nyo pumunta. Start na ng ating Hegra tour, guys. Sobrang ganda dito. Like, yung mga nakikita nyo sa video doesn't do justice, I swear.
Saudi Arabia's first ever UNESCO World Heritage Site. Enjoy with us, seeing beautiful landscapes.
Tapos na yung Hegra tour natin, and I must say, it was such a great experience. Mabilis lang yung tour, and medyo limited lang yung time to take photos, but it's fine. Okay na din siya. 4 yung pinuntahan nating stopover. Super duper 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 nice dito. As in, dito pa lang sa parang coffee shop area, you can take photos here. It's such a nice place. So, highly recommend. Do not skip this tour if you come here to Al Ula. Okay guys, andito na kami sa Lumi for the car rental. So medyo malayo to dun sa hotel namin, pero mura lang naman yung Uber, so okay lang. Kailangan nyo mag-provide ng passport, visa, and your international driver's license. So kinuha namin yun last year pa, no?
Last year.
We're just waiting for our car. We're getting a Fortuner kasi medyo marami kami, 6 kami.
Huwag ka masyadong magpabilis pag di mo patansyado.
Lunchtime. May nahanap lang kami na random restaurant. So, ayan, sa Lapag. First time namin gagawin to. Pero ito yung usual, kakain sa Lapag. Tapos parang karinderya style siya. Pumili lang kami ng ulam doon. I ordered beef. Sana masarap. Let's see. Super sulit ng food. So, yung rice talaga is sobrang dami. Tapos yung ulam, yan. So, ito lahat is I think mga 30 reals. Around mga 500 pesos. Not bad at all. Ito na yung resort namin. So, this is Caravan. Grabe, ang ganda. Grabe, guys. Ay, yung kilig namin, grabe. Okay, guys, let's do a quick room tour. So, ito yung itsura ng loob ng car. May ref. And may mga cabinets. So, ito na yung bed. Separate beds. And then, ito yung toilet. Ayan. We have a mini kitchen with water. I think this is the shower area. It's just super small. Okay, guys. We're off to the art installation tour. Free lang yon. It's just 1 hour around the vicinity lang din siya. I think dun siya sa main resort, which is dun sa Our Habitas. Ikot-ikot lang tayo, papakita yung mga art installation sa resort. And then, we'll do the sound bath later after. While waiting for our tour, may mga free snacks dito. And may mga cookies, nuts, and they have tea. Let's go! Uy, ma-excite ka naman! Ay! So, ito yung our habitats, guys. So, ganyan yung mga rooms nila. It's more expensive here. I think mga around 60,000 per room per night. Pero grabe, tignan nyo naman yung view. Wow. Guys, di ko alam kung nakikita nyo, pero may blue na babae doon. So, si Blue Lady yan. Anong name niya? What's
Najma.
Najma? Najma meaning falling star, right? Another art installation is the 1-2-3 swing. In the center of all these rocks, that's also art. So, amazing.
Rinig sa video yung hingal ko.
Our last art installation is a trampoline. Sikat na sikat to dito sa Habitas. Grabe, excited ang mga bagets. Nagtutulakan pa nga. Tapos na tayo sa art tour. Next is the candlelight sound bath at 6 p.m. Ito itsura dito sa caravan paggabi. Ang daming ilaw.
Para po.
Yes.
Para.
Gitna pala tayo.
So, andito na tayo sa ating caravan. Mag-refreshen up lang saglit and then we're going to have dinner. So, if you're coming here on February, make sure to bring jacket dahil guys, ang lamig. So, the weather right now is 14 degrees. So, make sure to pack appropriate clothes. By the way guys, we had so much fun with the art tour and yung sound bath. Ang sarap sa pakiramdam. Like, very relaxing. I highly recommend that you do it. Tomorrow we'll do more activities. Syempre para masulit natin yung stay natin dito. But so far, we are having so much fun here at Caravan by Habitas. So, ito na yung mga food truck. Dito tayo mag-dinner. And then we can sit down here. Ayan, may mga heater naman. So, kaya natin to. Kahit nandito tayo sa labas. Ganito yung setup natin. Medyo malamig pa rin. Lamig na lamig beyond Mars. Ayan, may heater. Lamig na lamig si Miguel. So, we ordered, ano to? Sandwich steak. Medyo mahal siya guys. Mga 110 reals. But what do you expect? Ganun talaga. Tapos isa ko muna ng nachos. Na hindi siya masaya.
Wala kwenta.
Hindi daw masarap. Here's my pizza.
Nasa ano daw? 20K. Siguro talaga isang run.
Pizza, and fries, and kain. So, we're finally back sa aming caravan. And pansin lang namin, medyo maingay lang though. Kasi nga dun sa aircon or heater, medyo may sound talaga siya. Ngayong gabi, super lamig, kaya naka-heater kami. Pero kaninang tanghali, naka-aircon kasi mainit naman. So, unpredictable talaga yung weather dito sa Al-Ula. So, make sure to be prepared. Magdala kayo ng pang-malamig. Magdala rin kayo ng pang-mainit. We're going to prepare na to sleep. Kasi bukas...
We wake up early.
Yes. That's it, guys. We'll update you again tomorrow.
Salamat.
Good morning! Sobrang lamig dito sa Al-Ula. Oh my God. 6 degrees. And wala kaming ka-heat-tech. So, that is our mistake. So, kailangan nyo magdala ng pang-winter clothes if you are coming here during February kasi malamig talaga. So, right now, we are going to the tent. Dun kung saan kami nag-dinner para kumain ng breakfast. Ina-enjoy lang namin dito yung sunrise. Papakita namin, lalabas kami. Wait lang. Look at that sunrise. I'll show you our caravan. This is our view. It's insane. Imagine nyo guys, gigising kayo, ganito yung view ninyo. Crazy!
Wow.
Andito na tayo sa ating breakfast area. Guys, tingnan nyo naman yung view. Sorry, di ako makaget over, but wow. Like, look at that view.
Amazing.
This is what we're having for breakfast. This is shakshuka. Meron tayong fruit platter, coffee, fiery omelette, and then parfait, and coffee din. The birthday girl! Happy birthday, Jamie! Guys, nandito tayo sa our Habitas for the yoga class. Medyo late na kami, so nagmamadali na kami.
Cellphone.
what can you falling down your body? Drop down your chest, your forehead far away. Drop down your hand to your hip. And slowly another one. From here, can you open chest first, open chest more. Ask more the chest first. Open chest, look at behind. Feel more.
Here's the gym, and someone's in the gym working out.
This is my fiancé, Lisa.
Hi! Hi, Sam! Nice to meet you! Are you done?
Not yet. We had a good conversation.
You just started?
Yeah, we had a good conversation.
Oh, gosh. Nakapag-check out na kami, pero tatambay pa kami sa pool. Actually, you can use the facilities the entire day, kahit nakapag-check out na kayo. Pero kami gusto lang namin mag-take ng photos and just, you know, chill a little bit sa pool before we go to Maraya. Guys, ang ganda ng pool nila. Sobrang lamig lang as in, pero syempre, ilalaban natin to. We are finally here sa Maraya. Tip lang pala, hindi kayo basta-basta makakapunta dito. It's within the compound of Banyan and Habitas. So kung naka-check-in kayo dun sa dalawang resort na yon, pwede nyo itong puntahan. Pero kung hindi nyo to mapupuntahan, hindi nyo siya mabibisita. Kasi hanapan kayo ng reservation. So yeah, make sure to book something from Banyan or Habitas if you want to visit Maraya. May mga nagko-concert dyan sa loob, like mga famous artists. And then I think they have a restaurant dyan sa loob din. Mamayang gabi daw may party dyan, kaya I think maraming nag-aayos. But syempre it comes with a fee, it's not free. So right now we're just here to, you know, take content, take pictures, mirror selfie.
Selfie nga ta.
In a bigger scale. Isang buong building. Yay! Wow! Okay guys, nakapag-freshen up na kami and ready to go na kami sa Elephant Rock. By the way, we booked in the same hotel and same room lang din yung binigay nila sa amin. So, di na ako mag-room tour dahil same lang din naman lahat. So, we are ready. Papunta na kami doon. We will update you once we get there. Ito na yung Elephant Rock. Ang daming tao. Kasi free lang to. And then may mga seats doon, may coffee shop. So,
Kita ba sa video?
doon tayo sa kabila pupunta. Elephant Rock. Kita nyo ba na elephant siya? Like, ayun yung trunk, and then meron siyang ears, and then ito yung katawan niya. And then we have seats like this. So nice! Nakapwesto kami dito sa table na to, right in front of the Elephant Rock. Yun lang, medyo mahirap lang mag-take ng photos, ganyan, kasi maraming mga ibang tourists. So just an idea, ayan, ganito kadami yung tao dito. Especially weekend ngayon and sunset time. So, ayan, dagsa talaga ang mga tao. Ganda din sa gabi with the lights and the music. You can also come here at night. Medyo mas konti na yung tao. So, for dinner, andito kami sa Somewhere. It's a really nice restaurant. Marami rin siyang reviews. Highly rated din siya sa Google. Ito yung itsura ng restaurant. Actually, mas marami yung tao sa labas. Kasi mas gusto nila yung view and everything. But it's cold, so dito lang kami sa loob. And Isa ordered salad. Wow, super healthy. And then kami fries ulit, truffle fries. And hindi ko lang kung ano to, chicken something. Medyo pricey yung food nila, but I hope it's good. Order din kami ng shrimp. Hindi ko na alam kung anong tawag. Basta shrimp siya, tapos may rice. Sulit na din. This is 120 reals.
Pinaka mushroom. Ano?
Wala na, pait. Good morning guys! Andito na tayo sa Oasis Heritage Trail. So, meron tayong tour. It's 9 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. So, dito na tayo sa parking. Tapos may sasakyan tayong van. Papunta sa start ng trail. Actually guys, pwede niyong puntahan tong trail na to for free. Pero kami nag-tour kami kasi para alam namin kung saan pupunta, ano yung mga relevance nung place na to. For added information.
Hi, baby camel. Ay, baby sheep pala.
Ang cute! Ang cute ng mga liliit. Actually, mabilis lang yung trail. Mga 40 minutes, 40 to 50 minutes. Maraming information about agriculture nila and kung paano yung pamumuhay way back dito sa Alaula. So, for breakfast, dito tayo sa Pink Camel. Marami rin siyang good reviews and highly recommended din siya. I hope the food is good. Ganito yung vibe dito. So, mostly outdoor talaga yung kainan nila. Smoked salmon, avocado toast, and then meron tayong hummus with spicy chips, and then isa, sabaw. Masama na yung pakiramdam niya. Ang lamig kasi, guys.
Ang sarap.
Okay.
Okay, happy na.
Saan? Doon pa rin?
Fairness, okay yung food.
Sorry, sa vlog.
Drakali siya.
Sorry sa vlog, sorry. Hindi nasa dyan.
Sarap yung food. Pati si James nasarapan. We're on our way to Shalal Cafe bago tayo mag-Banyan Resort. So, ito yung view natin. Ating driver and mga passenger. Andito na tayo, guys. So, what makes this place special is kasi nasa gitna siya ng mga bato. I think, guys, yung cafe is sa dulo nito. Grabe, ang ganda. Doon tayo nang galing, doon sa maliit na butas na yon. And eto na yung cafe. Super nice. Like in between all the rocks. By the way, meron siyang entrance na 10 reals. And then you can order coffee from here. Andito na tayo. Tapos na tayo mag-parking. Actually, medyo malamig, like mahangin. But let's see if kaya natin siyang tiisin. And makapag-swim pa rin kahit ganon. So, we're finally here at the spa. Guys, excited ako dun sa pool. Actually, hindi dun sa gagawin sa amin na body scrub. Ito yung treatment room. It's very spacious. Meron din silang bathtub. We also have our own restroom here, shower room, everything's complete. And then there we also have our bathrobes, our slippers. Everything's here naman. In fairness, mahal to, guys. So, dapat naman na kompleto lahat. We paid, I think, mga 10,000 to 11,000 for the entire treatment and the access to the pool. Guys, grabe ang lamig. Pero ito yung pool. It's so pretty. Like, it's in between two rocks. It's amazing. But, you know, the wind is crazy. Hindi ko alam kung naririnig niyo ako. But, yeah.
Yan. Ano masasabi mo sa
Ang
iyong
lamig.
swimming experience?
Guys, 20 degrees yung temperature dito sa taas. Pero sa pool, it's 30. So, at least, it's warm. Masarap sa pool. Pero pag ahon mo, ang lamig. Tapos ang hangin pa. So, right now, it's time for our treatment. 30 minutes lang naman yon, and then we can go back to swim again. Sarap. Masarap sa pool. So, syempre, hindi allowed mag-video during the treatment. So, we need to remove everything. Our jewelry, especially necklace and ring. Meron silang disposable panties or briefs. Yun lang yung dapat suot while doing the treatment. Magpapalit lang kami and we will update you after the treatment kung ano yung rating namin or kung worth it ba siya. So,
See you guys.
see you later. Ayan guys, may kasamang tea and some dates and nuts after the treatment. Okay guys, tapos na tayo sa treatment and sa pool and everything here sa Banyan. Kasi kailangan natin pumunta dun sa stargazing. So anyway, verdict lang. We feel like, hindi lang ako kami, majority of us, hindi siya worth it. Okay yung service, di ba? Okay siya. Like, okay yung scrub. But it's too much for the price for me. Sobrang ganda ng pool. Like, never pa ako nakakita ng pool na katulad nito. Pero yun lang, parang not enough.
But that's it.
Yeah, not enough to pay that much. Kung wala lang sa'yo yung 11,500, go. Push mo yan. Or, better yet, magstay kayo dito para mas ma-feel nyo talaga experience. Yun guys, papunta na kami sa car, magpapalit na kami, we'll get ready for stargazing. Tapos, yun yung activity natin for tonight. Dito na tayo sa Husak Adventures. So, sila yung in charge dun sa tour namin for stargazing. So, we're very excited for tonight's ganap. Tingnan nyo naman yung view, guys. Oh. Ganda. Love it.
An hour and 15 minutes long trip up north to Al Gharamid Nature Reserve. When we reach the place itself, we're going to take about 20 minutes to settle down and see the place, have some coffee and tea, and then we're going to turn off all the lights to see the sky clearly.
Finally here! Oh, cute! So, meron tayong bonfire. So, we're just gonna stay here and then watch the stars. So, pwesto na tayo dito. They also have free water and then dates, of course. And then they also have tea and coffee. Guys, so hindi ko na na-video yung entire thing kasi syempre walang ilaw kanina. Hindi nyo makikita sa video. But it was a great experience. Ang dami namin natutunan about stars. Ang daming stars. Ang ganda. Like, surreal experience. So, ngayon, nagla-line up na kami for dinner. Guys, in fairness, ang sarap ng food. Buffet style siya. Food is super okay. As in, sulit yung binayad namin. Just for the food. So, ayan, may pila yung buffet dyan. Tingnan nyo naman tong view namin habang kumakain.
Wow.
As in, the experience is lovely. The best. Okay guys, our last day here in Al Ula. Grabe, di namin kayo na-update. Pero kasi na-late kami sa aming tour. So, pinuntahan namin na lang dito. So, make sure to be early pag may mga tour kayo. Kasi aalis talaga sila guys. So, for today, we are going to do the Dadan and Jabal Ikma tour. This is our last tour. 2 hours 30 minutes lang siya. Our flight is at 4 PM. So, saktong-sakto lang naman. Ang cute. May mga ano pa. Parang art. Okay guys, so ito yung Dadan. I don't know if you can see it, but may mga butas dyan sa rocks. So, para siyang sa Hegra din. Ayan, nakikita nyo ba yan? Yung mga butas na yan. Dyan, may mga butas na yan. So, those are graves. Merong mga telescope dito so you can see kung ano yung mga nandun. So sabi nila, meron doon yung popular is may lion siya na carved. So ibig sabihin, mga high status daw yung mga nakalibing dyan. Mga palm trees na yan, dates yung mga yan. So sobrang dami. So kung sa Pilipinas, marami tayong coconut trees. Dito marami rin silang dates na trees. And by the way, itong area na to, it was excavated. So dito sila nagre-research kung ano yung like history about Al Ula or dito sa Dadan. May na-discover silang well. May nakita silang 7 na sculptures dyan sa loob. So, this is a very interesting tour din. Second stop is dito tayo sa Jabal Ikma. Guys, grabe. I can't explain. Yeah, no words. Like, ang ganda dito. Kailangan nyo tong makita in real life. Kailangan nyo puntahan. This is not enough. The video is not enough. Ah, may mga may mga sulat sa bato.
Ano to?
Ay, may mga sulat sa bato. After makita yung open library, ayan, may workshop tayo. So, feeling ko, magsusulat tayo ng letter sa bato. Sinusulat nila yung angel.
Hindi, joke lang.
Wow! Guys, ito yung nagawa ko. Pero compared sa gawa nila, ang layo. Pero not bad, oh. Diyan mo. Cute. Pwede na. Acceptable. Ang galing. Okay guys, we are done with the tour. Thumbs up. So yeah, we're done for our Al Ula tour. So next, we're going to have lunch. Kami ay nakapag-check out na. Oh my God, di ko na napakita yung lunch natin. gutom na kami. But anyway, nandito na tayo ulit sa Old Town. Gusto rin namin siya ma-check in the morning. Ayun, sarado lahat actually. Nag-open sila starting 4 PM pa. So, ito yung itsura ng Old Town in the morning. For us, it's better at night. Kasi, guys, ang init sa umaga. Pero if you wanna take nice pictures, I guess morning talaga. Kasi sa gabi, sobrang dilim. Papunta na kami sa airport. Kailangan naming i-full tank yung sasakyan. Ang ginastos lang namin is 86 reals. So that's 1,400 pesos. Sobrang mura ng gas dito. So I highly recommend just rent a car. Kung marunong kayo mag-drive and get a license, syempre.
International driving license. International driving license.
Worth it, promise. So there you go guys. This ends our Al Ula vlog. Parang ang sad na namin pauwi. Wala na masyadong maingay. Anyway, all the details you need nasa description box. Lahat ng links, lahat ng itinerary and budget ilalagay ko lahat. So, bye guys! See you on our next vlog!